Here we are, smart key with no key. Let's do the better resetter. First, we pull this clip off, separate the lock. Look at the keyway, and at the bottom left, you're going to see these pins right here. Put those to the top in your vise. Now we have it in the top of the vise. Let's get your better resetter. Line your better resetter up with each of these pins. Push all of them down at the same time to where it's flat. With all of your pins flat, stick just the tip of the key in and turn the key. Make sure to pull this out so you don't bend it. You're going to turn the key 90 degrees to this point. This dot will line up with this right here, just like that. Get your reset tool, listen for the snap. Put your new keys in once you hear it. Turn to the left. Boom. Your new keys now work. The better resetter.